What's up, gamers? I'm going to try to add my Status.Cafe to my Neocities website. I haven't done so in a while and I kind of forget how to do it, so if you want to know the exact way how to do it, probably go to the end of the video. I just forgot how to do it. I remember it being a process. The reason why I even need to make a video at all is because Neocities, I don't know what the case for like NecoWeb or other. While we're at it, I could probably go over, there's like a bunch of ways to host a website, right? Neocities, itchy.city. You can do GitHub pages. That's not really popular. It's just one I happen to know about. Straw page. That one seems strange. I don't know. NecoWeb. I don't know why I put that so far down. It should be like second. Card and Rentry. So anyway, I don't know about all these other things, but I think the case is that you can't run JavaScript on a Neocities account that's not like a supporter account. They did used to allow it. I'm just going off of memory here, so I might be wrong. On the old accounts, I think you could plug in your Status.Cafe deal. This is just funny. I always go here and then I'm like, oh, of course. It is Status.Cafe. You got the status widget here, and these are not what I was thinking. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, okay. This doesn't correlate to this. I'm silly. Yeah. I'll take your word for it that not everyone's bi. I believe people that... Anyway, I do, I really do. Yeah, this whole thing is a JavaScript item with, some CSS stylings. And also, I kind of don't even love this, like, fortune cookie wrapper type layout. Like, I would almost rather it be, like, a feed layout, which is what we will see in a second. I don't know. Anyway, this whole thing, if you're on NecoWeb or whatever, this probably works. I don't really know their whole JavaScript thing. I think what was happening is that on the Neocities, there was like new accounts created and they would be using JavaScript to do like random silly things or whatever. And so they're like, okay, we can't just let anybody come in here and run JavaScript because whatever reason. This doesn't work. If you put this on Neocities, it doesn't work, pretty sure. If I remember correctly. IIRC. I'm just gonna see if I can remember how to do this. Oh, I think it's even on my website. DIY toolbox, text generation, tools. I got a lot of stuff here if y'all ever need I mean, everybody does this, but I feel like my collection's pretty good, not gonna lie. Ah, what the hell am I looking for? This is in social alternatives. Aha! Status.Cafe RSS guide. This, what is this, Surfing the Waves? Yeah, Surfing Waves RSS widget guide, nice. This is just a blog post from a random person. I don't know where I found this. Straight to the tutorial. Take the link to your Status.Cafe page. Okay. Oh, that's awesome. I'm using this freaking fucker and I'm like, the scroll activation button, because it doesn't have a scroll wheel, I made it the back button, so if I don't hold it, I click back and it's funny. Okay, copy that and add Atom to the end. It should give you the link to your... Yeah, which if open should display a bunch of code. I like a bunch of code. Ah, it just downloaded this. Make me cry astraking.mp3. It failed to download yesterday. Sorry, that was not yesterday. Yeah, it's all your statuses in, okay, so paste this link into ad feeds. Dude, okay, what are we, hold on. This looks so good. I don't know how they got this, like, Fruitiger, I don't remember that being a thing. Skeuomorphism, as it were. I'm just extra curious. Yo. That texture is like really dope, and I'm also getting like flashbacks to an art program I used as a kid that like I will probably never remember. Other added tidbit, if you want to dither things, like kind of like how you probably can't see it on like the ass quality that I'm pumping this screen recording out at. But this is kind of dithered cool. This is probably like a program that they did, but there's a bunch of dithering websites on my blog. If you go down to resources. All right. Focusing. This is a cool thing that still exists. Okay. Take your link. Wow, what I was looking for was like literally step one. I am not the brightest. That should still be on my clipboard. Add feed section. Add feed. Let's go. Okay. Customize your weed fidget. That's awesome. Feed widget is way more outlandish than the other way around. Okay. Nobody should let me talk, I think, is a bad idea. Where the hell was I? Ignore all customization options for now. Okay, sorry. Expand the general settings section. Second section and paste a link to your site's custom. Don't really care, I think. I put at the bottom under URL of custom CSS. What? Oh dear. Oh god, what a nightmare. All right. Well, listen, if you have questions, maybe they're answered down here. I love this. And that's the best photo ever. Yeah, a lot of people are having a lot of silly problems here in 2013, so that's cool. Holy cannoli. All right, what? Dude, why am I tripping? Ah, ha 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 ha. Okay, it's in the drop down of the weed fidget spot. Dear goodness, I kind of am getting a headache, to be honest. Also, if you import your font, don't host it on your site like me, especially if you don't. Dude, I don't. Listen. Expand the entry title section, 4th second. Okay. Change the maximum length value to the length of your username plus 2 for the emoji. 12. And increase the maximum length value so it'll show your full statuses. I set it to 160. It might be okay. I like 150 as a number. That sounds cool. I feel like I messed around with these last time I did this because they were like not quite right. How the hell did they get that freaking thing? This. Okay, so I hate that it's doing that thing. Entry title. It should be 12, right? Oh, background image. Can I click any of these? I can't click anything, brother. Okay, I can't edit anything for some reason. That's kind of strange, but you can, yeah, you can do these examples that are pretty cool. Are any of these the really skeuomorphic one? Oh, that's fun with the pattern. I used to do this one. Yeah, okay, the 12 updated, I guess, because it just has the ellipses. Powered by Surf and Wait. I'm pretty sure you can take this out when you copy the code, but it's not really smiled upon. I mean, yeah, who cares, dude? Just freaking leave it in. Yeah, I almost feel like maybe I'll put a Status.Cafe button over this instead of having, because like what their default is like putting your name, like your name. It's too many my names. I don't want it. I'll put this over it or something. That was weird. Why is it auto scrolling? Oh, well, that's interesting. Take this. Copy it, bring up a little text Edward, and see what you got in here. So you can edit all these. Oh yeah, you can edit the color. Honestly, it's easier. The CSS URL isn't updating to my site, and I think I remember that happening before. I don't know why that's a thing. Yeah, this is weird because it's like a JavaScript thing, but I'm pretty sure it works. Auto scroll bar. Let me get a scroll bar, please. On. I almost feel like that's my auto scroll. Okay, so I don't know where I'm going to put this on my page. I've been putting random shit everywhere just so it's like harder to understand what's happening because it's funny. So I think maybe. Okay, my site updates is over here. Maybe I'll put it. Oh yeah, check my favorite images. There's good ones in there. Yeah. I'll do it in here. Now I just have to find that. Whee! Okay, that's the image zone. It's probably right here, honestly. Context clues. I just don't feel like clearing my clipboard. Queer coded and piracy. Where are those? Like you're telling me I queer coded this piracy. No, cool. So, okay. Mayhaps. Okay. Wonder if I have other dividers. Break. That goes there. That's a kind of cool one. The Clover one is pretty good too, but I feel like I have that somewhere else. I use post image to upload my pictures. BTW. I don't know what everybody else uses. I'm just gonna do the same. Why would I do that? Stay on page. This back button is driving me crazy. I forget what height I'm at. 80. No, that's because it's the jars. Yeah, let's have that at like freaking 20. Let's just get into it. Let's just see if that worked and or what that looks like even. Yo, let's freaking go right now. Maybe, Oh, why is this like that? I don't want to get too distracted. However, why is it that wide? Jeez. Let's go like 600, honestly. Let's 700. I mean, let's not be wild. Let's not be. Why would you press enter? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, it's way better. I can say, what's today's date? 8. I don't know the number of the month, so I'm pretty sure it's still 8. LOL. Yeah, obviously. 19, 25. Making a vid about how to put. I just got a text. Status.Cafe on your Neocities. Let's fucking go. Okay. Yeah. Powered by surfing the freaking waves, bro. Okay, so this is such a weird divider. No, it's cool though. So what I could do is I could put. I'm just going to take something. I don't know what this is. I'm going to take it and then I'm going to put it after the surfing the waves. Because if I don't have a break after it, a few spaces. Some non-breaking spaces, thank goodness. What would we do? Ah, shit. What a lovely day to be bisexual. A lot of bi things coming up today. I was gonna see if I could put something beside it. I'm not quite sure why I can't. Whatever, I guess. It doesn't matter. The link below helps keep the service free and helps other people find the sex worker widget. The surf and waves widget. Please be cool and keep it. Thanks. Yeah, I will keep it. I think in the past I didn't, and that was naughty. You know what I could do? What if I did this? I'm just curious. Whoa, 5,000. Oh, it changed that. Lol, okay. Oh god, where was I? Right. That's 200. Okay. Frame width, 500. I'm just... Wow. You know, that's not the worst. 7. You know what? Gotta treat yourself every once in a while. That's more like comprehensive. This isn't giving me all of my status updates ever. Well, what would happen if I take a JPEG? I mean, it'll look bad. Making this face a lot. Sorry. Background color, background image, and put it here. Will it override the style sheet or what? What's the dealio? You know, I will be sad, okay, when this service goes away. Oh, maybe I'm gonna do something complicated. I'm gonna put this link in the style sheet and just see what happens. I don't know. I probably shouldn't do that. I'm gonna end up having to undo it because it's gonna be just like nothing. It's for sure not gonna work. Yeah, it looks like shit. Do you even have to have... Like, I wonder if my style sheet is even doing anything. Well, you can make your own style sheet, apparently. I'm, like, kind of bad with CSS. I'm more of a HTML girl. Oh, wow! Okay, if I... I mean, I do like lime-flavored stuff. Damn. It's cool it tiles automatically. So if you just take that out, well, you'd have to put this in your style sheet, I guess. I don't know how. I don't know. I don't like CSS. CSS is a mystery to me. Even if it's not that different than HTML. I like the old school bare bones shit. Okay, and I got the scroll bar. Oh yeah, for sure. Title. Yeah, all these are your hex codes. So I could rummage through my somewhere I have like a pattern archive. God, these are kind of ass. I have been using DuckDuckGo and it has been good. But typically it filters out... Oh, okay. Filters out AI images, and this shit, you know what's going on with that. That looks so fucking horrid. That looks like some... what was that shit at the beginning? Like... It was like fantasy themed names. So, hide, please. Pretty good. I don't know why this is the way that I'm searching for a pattern, but I also kind of just like exploring search engine. Let me get more, please. I don't even know if I want a pattern. More like texture. I wonder if you can... Does the before thing work on DuckDuckGo right now? I don't think it will. Well, this is certainly different. These look like pretty good photos, though. I mean, they had cameras in 2012. I didn't know there were... there's different names for this. This is what you get when you click on this video, okay? I don't care. 5 people watch it anyway. Just that is kind of interesting though. Like I didn't know there were different names for it. I don't like that popcorn is called popcorn. Lace is kind of metal, and it also is weird. Knockdown, dude. Beat down, freaking slamming drywall. Actually, knockdown is pretty goated, I think. Venetian plaster just looks like a mistake. Sand looks like a mistake. Orange peel looks like the moon. Popcorn looks like a mistake. This certainly looks like a mistake. You know what? Just sometimes I'm interested. Ask the man.xyz. That's cool. Sometimes you find yourself on the internet. Ew, that looks like shit. What are these links, bro? Whoa, what are we in the freaking Sistine Chapel, my brother? Lace ceiling, that kind of looks cool. This is a dope-ass picture. I love that. That's very funny. What's the best lemon juice? Women's knee-high boots with a narrow calf. How to get urine out of your clothes. Looks like there's a problem with your fucking nutsack, dude. Cat urine. I thought this is just like piss. Alright, get fucked. I don't know what you're doing. To clean a coffee pot machine? Are you kidding me? Ask the man. Is this a money laundering scheme? So it appears that I can do the thing on this thing. We're like 5 layers deep to ADH brain. Whatever is wrong with me. I don't even know if it's that. What did I say? ADH brain? Do you think I'll ever go to a psychiatrist? Probably not. Alright. What's a funny image to put behind this thing? This is dude right now. Why is this coming up? And I have AI images to hide. This is the first. Looks like ass, dude. Looks like ass. Ugh. What if I go even earlier? Because sometimes Google, I know this is just like scraping from Bing or whatever. The old netherite texture. It just looks so hamburger. I can hear my cat using the bathroom. Yo, that's pretty good. This is kind of nice, but it also looks like it's skin. Oh, that's dope, actually. You know what? We'll do a little scrot, as it were. Anybody remembers that Ubuntu program, Scrot? Damn, my cat's really going for it. I'm tired. I don't want to do this anymore. So let's get it. Oh, yeah. Yep. The thing is, title background color. Okay, I don't have a title on it. Footer background. That's irrelevant. Is there even a footer on that mofo? Footer color, footer name. RSS feed, footer off. I mean, what if somebody wanted to add my thing to their RSS feed? Like, to stay abreast, you know? That looks like shit. Okay. Title length 12. Title color 66. Gee whiz, bro. Isn't that... I thought that was black. What is white again? Is it just all zeros? I think black is all Fs. Again, I don't know what I'm doing. So I guess if this is the end of the video, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. I can't count. I can't see. You probably can't either. What does this do? MCs need a tissue. All zeros is black. Is all Fs white? Title color, okay. Dude, what are they? They're trying to like hex me or something? I think 6 is the number of man, actually. What did the Pixies say? If 5 is 6 and 6 is 7 and I'm not gonna... Yo, let's go. Okay. I would love if I could get more posts out of this. Shallow pockets on women's pants freaking do not make sense. Straight TF up. Okay, so this is just description length per one, which is not, I don't need to, yeah, probably 200. That's my scroll. Feed scroll bar. Font size. A font. Christopher Walken ass. Fudge, bro. I mean, this is whatever. Oh, I care. And description on. Okay, I can't figure it out. I like this. I like the coffee cup. Update your friends. Updates. All that. Did it. And I might just be kind of bold and brazen with it and put my own shit in there. I don't know. Maybe that will look odd because typically it's not just linking to your thing. I just like the button. Yep. All right, we're done. So, oh my god. In conclusion, this is my book report. Whatever, just go to this guide, it's cool. I think there were some important steps in there that kind of like were not so intuitive. So, frick yeah, dude. maphren.neocities.org. Okay, blog, recent posts, more posts, 2024. That's how you find it. Just go to, you don't even have to go to my site. I don't even care. You don't even have to look at, I hate my website. Yeah, follow the guide. I need to stop saying that. I've said that like 4 times already. Cool. I don't know. I don't really understand how it works because it looks like it has JavaScript in it. But I mean, so does a lot of other stuff. Let me just make sure. Status widget for your homepage. I'm gonna put the div there, and then I'm gonna make this face again on my screen. And then I'm gonna put the CSS up in the CSS section. And I'm just gonna see what happens, you know? God damn it. Or I don't know what's good, because I'm not a supporter. Maybe it's because I've had the account for more than however many months. I'm gonna try this on another site that I have. I don't know how to do CSS shit. Just put it in the middle of somewhere random. Okay. It didn't work. Yeah, it should be right here. Okay, all this shit is in like a style box. I'm pretty sure I'm doing it right. Yeah, it was in a style box. Okay. Tags, whatever. What I will do is I will copy this. Bippity-boppity-boo. Oh, that makes 0 sense. What do you mean? The surfing waves thing is like making it work. I don't know what's happening. I'm just pretty sure that like it doesn't work right off the bat for most people. And so I hope this helps. It's just kind of confusing. Paste this code into your CSS file. Oh, well maybe that's why. You know what I mean? I have a feeling what I was doing though is like the same. Where am I? What is happening? Dude, if this works, what's the point of anything anymore? I'm honestly like, please don't work. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty fucked up. So it seems that the code is not working. I still could be wrong, but I did everything. I'm not gonna do they did everything right in the end. I'm not gonna do it. It's not even funny anymore. I think I'm doing this the right way. I mean, I'm probably not technically doing it the right way. Yeah, okay, so I just don't understand it. Yeah, somebody probably does. So maybe that helps. If somebody does this and it does help, tell me. And if it's like really bad advice, I'll just, not do this. Delete everything. I'm pretty sure that's all kind of cool. Whatever, thanks for watching, I guess. Okay, bye.